Tired of feeling tired all the time? Let's find out what's really going on, yeah?
So many people think, RA, it's just old age. But is that the full story?
Fact is, nearly half of older adults feel this way, so you're definitely not alone.
But listen up. This constant tiredness is not just a part of normal aging.
So, what are the real culprits? Come on, let's investigate together. First up, anemia. Basically, your blood isn't strong enough to carry energy around your body. Or it could be a hidden heart strain. Sometimes the only sign is feeling completely drained.
And what about too many pills? Taking 9 or more can totally drain your battery. Feeling low? Well, that's not just in your head. It makes your whole body feel exhausted. Could also be a simple hormone issue, like a lazy thyroid. And good news, it's often fixable.
Okay, so what can you do about all this? Here is your simple action plan. At your next visit, just ask your doctor for these 2 simple checks. That's it. And for all the caregivers watching, sometimes just one less medicine can bring back the energy. Want a quick win? Try a 30-minute walk and eat more foods rich in B12. The main thing is, please don't just live with it. Your energy is so important.
But always talk to your geriatrician first. Remember, your health is your wealth.